Inscribed angles. I hope you guys find this as friendly as the past couple of lessons we've been doing. We are going to talk about 4 different theorems that I think you'll find we'll be able to understand it quickly. First one being an inscribed angle of a circle and it intercepts a semicircle. So let's remember, what is an inscribed angle? Where does the vertex sit? Sits on the side, right? So the first thing I want you to do is draw what looks like a diameter. Do your best. And then if I have an inscribed angle, see that angle right there? So X and Y, I guess I should call that Z. So it intersects a semicircle, then right away, you know this guy is 90 degrees. So, as you're drawing that, I want to ask you a question. What is the measure of this arc? Right here, it's half a circle, 180. And the inscribed angle is 90. How are those related? It's exactly half. So you've actually just derived this next theorem that we're going to talk about. If, grab one of those right there. If we have any inscribed angle, and let's say the measure of this arc is, I don't know, X degrees. You just told me if this was 180, this is 90, it's half. So if this is X degrees, guess what its measure is? That measure is exactly half. So let's talk about that. If this is 30 degrees, how big's my angle? 15. If it's 100 degrees, my angle is 50. Let's go the other direction. If my angle is 25 degrees, then my arc is 50. If my angle is 40 degrees, my arc is 80. That's the relationship. Okay, now I'm going to have arc, let's put A and B right here. We're going to have an inscribed angle that intersects that arc. Paper's right there on the counter. And then I'm going to have another angle that inscribes that exact same arc. So if they have the same arc right here, what do you expect to happen with the angle measure? So let's look at it this way. If this arc is 50 degrees, what's the measure of this angle? 25. What's the measure of this angle? It inscribes the same arc. It is also 25. So if they inscribe the same arc, guess what? The angles are the same. They have the same measure. They are congruent. One more. Let's do a quadrilateral in here. And it doesn't have to be a perfect square. It just needs to have 4 sides. Call this A, B, C, and D. All right, it says opposite angles are supplementary. Supplementary means adds up to what? 180. So A and C add up to what? 180. And the other pair would be angle B and angle D, add up to 180. You've got a small assignment. Open, I believe. Maybe not. I might need to open it for you. We were pretty fast on that lesson and no quiz, so I might need to change the time.